So, kaya.
Okay, bill number 1. No, pag sobra, sana hindi sumobra sa 18.
Pag sumobra sa 18K, sa akin mapupunta lahat ng
1K! 1K! I'm gonna buy a lot in Shopee.
Tingnan mo kung kanino galing.
To Jella, happy 18th birthday from Tita Wena. To kay Acquired. Thank you so much. To Jatel, happy 18th birthday, God bless, from Ninang Jinky. Thank you, Ninang Jinky. Let me see. Wala, kinuha mo na ata to. Another 1K! Okay. So, okay, this one. To Jella, happy 18th birthday from Tita Mai. Should I last this?
Ha?
I-last ko? Or open ko na?
Ikaw.
This is gonna be... this is gonna be a secret. This is mommy. This is between me and Tita Mai, okay? So, you can intervene with that. Happy 18th birthday, Jella, from Ninang Karen. 1K! Mami, alam mo yung mga ganito.
Kasama yan sa bilang, siyempre.
Mama, yung mga pangyayaring ganito between me and Tita Myra na lang, please. Like, respect our privacy. Can you do that?
No, I cannot.
Okay! Happy 18th, Jella, double L, from Ninang Jenny Ann Ayuson. Shout out to Ninang Jenny Ann Ayuson. Another 1K acquired. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6K. Sana hindi umabot na... Ay, sana umabot ng 18 pero hindi lalagpas ng 18.
Sana lumagpas madami 18.
Okay. Another 1K acquired. Thank you, Tita Anale. Okay. May bibigay ka pang red na sobra. What? Wow! From home! From Tita Jocelyn. Thank you! Oh! Okay, thank you, Tita Jocelyn. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Baka lumagpas na. Pag hindi siya lumagpas, akin daw. Pag lumagpas, kanya. Happy 18th birthday, may our God, Lord, richly bless you. From Ma'am Lloyda. Shout out to Ma'am Lloyda. She's not there earlier, right?